scared you. A leaf blew across the porch. They all jumped. You hear a bird tweeting? Jesse's little ears perked up. She heard a bird tweeting.
Birdie tweet.
She said, "That's different. I'm not used to that." Jedi's getting into action too. He says, "I hear a Tweety bird too. Oh, it flew away."
I don't know what they're saying. It's really close in Florida, so I don't know.
They're totally getting into the birds. Hey, Cookie, you getting into the birds too? Well, I know my Job is. Job's got to come for a little bit of loving in the middle of it. He's my sweetheart.